Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Ken. This is Ken's Guitar Workshop, and we're getting ready to break the neck out of the clamps and trim it up a little bit. So let's get to it. Okay, right here I'm measuring the headstock thickness and I'm transferring that over to the neck blank. And now I'm measuring the thickness of the neck. Transfer that information over to the neck blank as well. The original Deacon neck was kind of thin, almost like Ibanez thin, and don't really care for necks that thin, so this one's going to be just a bit thicker. This measurement right here is probably the most critical of the entire build. Get the thickness of your neck heel wrong, throws off the entire geometry of the guitar. Quick double check of all the numbers. And we're almost ready to make some sawdust. You know the old saying, measure twice, cut once. Let's take this thing over to the bandsaw and cut it up. Give it a quick check, make sure the blade wasn't wandering. Looks good. I'm going to cut up to the transition where the headstock meets the neck, and then we'll pull the neck blank out and start again from the other end. Alright, well, now let's cut out somewhat. I still gotta trim up the sides and shape the headstock. Just gonna throw it on the bench for about a week and see if it moves or twists or whatever. I doubt it will, because it's a 3-piece neck. Geez, you can hardly tell though. Can't really tell that it's 3 pieces, but you saw me glue it together. You know it's, yeah, I see here. 1, 2, 3. And the grain is all going against each other. So I have never had a neck twist on me yet, because I normally make them out of 3 pieces of wood. Oh, saying that could be bad juju. I just find them much more stable. But anyway, gonna leave it on the bench. Maybe for a week. We'll see what happens. Today's Monday. Keep our eye on it, see what happens. So, looks like we're gonna have to work on something else. Had it all packed away nice. You know, after working on the neck for a couple of weeks, I forgot just how freaking beautiful this thing is. Some gorgeous flame maple there. Anyway, not going to be doing much today, or now. Today's my birthday, and I'm just going to chill. I'm not going to do much out here in the shop. Going to go probably search around on the internet for some parts, which I've started to gather some already. Got something kind of special coming in, should be here Monday, and you'll see that in the next video. But what I need to get some pots, some 500K pots. I need to get a 3-way selector switch. I want a barrel jack. Originally the Deacons had the patch cord coming out here, and I never liked that on any guitar, so mine's going to be coming in through here. Going to be recessed like I do most of my scratch builds. Just a better idea. No chance of it snapping to pick guard, you know, something like that. Just, and it'll go right up, come out right here, and it'll just loop over the strap button. I don't know why people or companies put the jack right here so the thing plugs in there. It's just not smart. Gonna need tuners. I'm thinking about going with a brass nut because many of the Deacon and breadwinners that I've seen, including the one that my buddy Tom had that I fell in love with 40 years ago, had a brass nut and it came that way. Got to get tuners, pickups. Got to make a pick guard. I already have the material. I got 3-ply, black, white, black. I also have to look around on the internet and see if I can find a control cavity layout that I can make a template out of. So that's about it for this video. Hey, not so fast. Remember I told you I ordered something that was coming in Monday? Well, it came in today. Let's open this monkey up and see what it is. I'm psyched. So I ordered this
about 3 days ago. Hey, a box of newspaper. Okay, let's have a look here. Oh yeah. What I got here is a set of 40-plus-year-old Ovation Deacon humbuckers. And I was very excited to find these. I've been looking all over to find a high output mini humbucker for this guitar that would fit in the pickguard. And these monkeys have a DC resistance of 20K. Now these ought to grunt pretty good. So I am very, very excited to have these. And honestly, for their age, I mean, they're a little dusty, but they are in excellent condition. Nice. Yeah, the neck pickup is, you can see it, 20.3K, and bridge is 20.54K. Should sound like a monster. Which is what I wanted. So, I really wasn't planning on doing much today in the shop, but there is a good possibility that I may grab the pickup mule over there, break out the Boss Katana, and give these things a little test drive. So, stay tuned for that. We'll see you next week. So, you guys take care of yourself. We'll see you then. Peace. Damn, that's pretty.